Welcome back to 30 Days to Better Hearing. Today we're venturing into a topic that's a bit different, and I'm going to go a bit philosophical here, but do hear me out. How do hearing aids not only enhance our hearing, but also become a part of who we are? It's a journey of acceptance, understanding, and ultimately empowerment. For many, the initial decision to use hearing aids comes with mixed feelings. In fact, a lot of people who come to see us don't want hearing aids at all. There's the anticipation of hearing more clearly, coupled with concerns about how it might change your self-perception or how others perceive you. It's a significant step acknowledging that hearing aids are now a part of our daily lives, but here's a perspective shift I want to share with you. Hearing aids aren't just devices. They are extensions of our experiences, enhancing not only our ability to hear, but also to connect with the world around us. Incorporating hearing aids into your identity means more than just accepting them. It's about recognizing them as tools of empowerment. They allow you to engage in conversations confidently, enjoy different sounds, and participate more fully in the moments that matter. They symbolize a commitment to yourself, to prioritize your well-being and your relationships. Talking about hearing loss and hearing aid use openly can also shift perspectives. It challenges outdated stigmas and encourages a more inclusive view of hearing diversity. And I say this because by sharing your story, you might inspire someone else to take that step towards better hearing. You become a part of a larger narrative that celebrates better hearing and the technology that makes it possible. This process doesn't happen overnight. It evolves as you experience the benefits of improved hearing and as you navigate the responses of those around you. It's perfectly normal to have moments of doubt or self-consciousness, yet with each conversation, each improved moment, hearing aids become less of a tool and more a part of you. So as you continue this journey, I encourage you to embrace your hearing aids, not just as devices, but as vital components of yourself. They're not a symbol of a weakness or a disability. They are symbols of your determination to live a healthy life to the full. Hearing aids don't define you, but they do contribute to the richness of your experiences. See you tomorrow for day 23.